Hang on just a second. There we go. Go ahead and chamber of rounds.
Thanks for painting the whole day.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Are you ready?
Bet. I had fun. Learned a lot.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
You get to warm up, and it's like cheating for the fire. You get to practice them before you.
It makes sense.
Bad bullet.
Yep.
It's just double the fun.
Keep going. Keep your finger off the trigger. Hang on a second. We're going to start this one over again.
Is it not feeding?
That may be the magnet's been giving us all the trouble.
Don't touch.
Mason, pick up that magnet. Okay, we're going to start that one over.
So this is number 1.
Okay. Are you ready? Shooters ready. Stand by.
Mason, Mason, back up. Once he has it in his hands, don't try to take it from him.
We're going to start over, okay? Are you ready? Shooters ready. Stand by.
Super? Just super? It's super.
Use your sight.
You're empty.
No, that's not empty, is it?
Super's not cheap.
Yeah, it's empty.
Oh, okay. Just checking. You know, empty and a jam look a lot alike.
He says you can get some for around 123 is what he pays
30.
for right now, 38.
New per thousand?
Yeah.
Okay, Mason. Shake it off. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
I bought a factory
Good job. Finger off the trigger. Put a new mag in.
My friend's son started shooting a 30-inch super rifle gun. It's like, well, here, make some once-fired brass. He's like, oh, thank you.
Yeah. I'm a scrounge, have been
Okay,
since
Mason,
I
you ready?
started.
Shooters ready. Stand by. There you go.
Well, the problem is that you can, right
Turn it
now,
around. Thank you.
the
Okay.
ranges can sell it for scrap and get more than they can.
Okay, Mason, are you
sell
ready?
it on the internet, so that really hurts.
Shooters
the
ready.
market.
Stand by.
Yeah,
Loading
ain't no
market.
doubt about that.
I was just thinking, you know, I bet almost all the police shooters in are used to super, and I bet they sell it for scrap. Just scrap. That's a doggone shame.
You got it.
Okay.
This number 4.
This is 5th one.
This is the 5th one.
Yep.
Okay. Mason, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
That, the time I bought it, I paid $85. I got a bunch of, in fact, some of this today is brand
Good run. Good run. Clear the weapon.
now.
Okay.
I've got a.
Put it up. Put the mag on the table.
He sells.
Not your gun.
I gotta use 45 ACP.
Your gun's
He's
not
always
clear
had
yet.
45.
You have to pull this
Single
back,
head
remember?
stand. That is different
See
head
it?
stand.
There's nothing in there now.
Single head stand.
Dad, can I shoot those down there now?
Put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag.
Usually get it for like 125.
There you go.
2,000.
Now zip it up.
For 125?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
It's awfully good. It's just absolutely beautiful glass.
All right, range is safe. Good job, bud.